Ruckus Beats.
Going on YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, March 30th. 2019 is flying by at a rapid pace. And with that, there has been so many sneaker drops this year already that have garnered a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And the one thing I've noticed probably since Q4 of 2018 is that Yeezys are becoming more and more readily available. And, you know, this all goes back to what Kanye said a few years ago, that at some point, anybody who wants a pair of Yeezys is going to be able to get a pair of Yeezys. And I know when he first said that, everybody thought that meant it was going to be just so widespread everybody could get a specific pair. And that's not what he meant. Obviously, you know, certain pairs have more production amounts, certain pairs have less production amounts. That being said, I feel like anybody who really does want a pair of Yeezys now is able to get their hands on a pair. Even if they're paying resale, the resale on them is pretty much dead. And the Yeezy 350 V2 is dead, right? It's dead. The Yeezy 350 V2 is dead. I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. We got a brand new pair of sneakers. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to do the on foot. But before I do, I have a little special giveaway for my subscribers, but most importantly, to my followers on Instagram. I have recently teamed up with the good folks over at Primo Hoagies. They are a local sandwich shop here in Philly that is franchised and is quickly growing. They're pretty much all up and down the East Coast now, all the way from North Jersey. There's some in South Carolina, there's some in Florida. Most importantly, they ship everywhere in the United States. So I have two $50 gift cards that they reached out. They want us to collaborate a little bit. They want me to throw some shine on them in my video. I'm going to be giving away two $50 Primo Hoagie gift cards. All you have to do is go comment the word Hoagie on the next Instagram picture I put up that is in related to this video. So all my social is down in the description. So what you're going to do is once you get to this point in the video, now, you're going to go to my Instagram, you're going to see the post about today's video, and you're going to comment the word Hoagie. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to follow me on Instagram. They are the rules. I will pick two different people tomorrow to give away these $50 gift cards to. That being said, you know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the clay colorway. Again, I hit you with some foreshadowing in the video. The 350 V2 is allegedly dead. I myself have personally attempted to move on from the sock-like upper sneaker. Not the Yeezy 350 V2 in particular, and not just Adidas. I don't really rock my Vapor Max Fly Knits as much as I used to. As a lot of you know, I was, pretty big on Vapor Max. It was one of my favorite sneakers of all 2018. But I've kind of moved on from the sock-like upper. And then Kanye went and dropped the 350 V2 clay and sucked me right back in. I have yet to wear my Statics. I have yet to wear my Yeezy 350 V2 Sesames. I was so hyped to finally get a pair of semi-frozen yellows. I haven't worn them yet either. All of my recent V2 pickups have all been pretty much kept dead stock, other than the unboxing and on foot part of their video. I've been rocking, don't get me wrong, it's not like I'm over Yeezys. I've been rocking all of my Yeezy 700s, my 500s. I even have rocked a pair of Calabasas recently. But I am just really, I thought I was moving on past the sock-like sneaker. And then he dropped these. I know there's some mixed emotions. There are different viewpoints on the sneaker. One, I know a lot of people who are either over the 350 V2 or over Kanye or just over Adidas and over Boost in general tried saying that this was going to be the same color as the Sesame, just with the exposed stripe and the hints of this neon orange. Not true. This brown, this tan is a lot darker. It is a lot more richer. To put it into perspective, this tan is way darker than like even the Oxford Tan 700, the Oxford Tan V1. This is a very, very dark tan. It's even closer to like a brown. And what's so dope is that this orangish peach clay colorway that is, you know, woven and interwoven throughout this whole upper and in the midsole and on the pull tab makes this sneaker pop so much. And like I said, I honestly thought that I was out of the Yeezy 350 V2 game. And I knew I would probably, if I seen a colorway, I would buy them. But just like my love for them hasn't been there. Like I said, I was desperate, going insane for the semi-frozen yellows, and I wasn't paying that resale price. And by the time that restock happened, right around the holidays, and I finally was able to get myself a pair, I even got Asia a pair, I have yet to wear them. And that was a sneaker that like, they just like pulled at my heartstrings, and you know, it really put my emotions that I didn't have. And then I got them, and it's like, I don't wear them. And you know, hopefully with the addition of the Yeezy 350 V2 Clay into my current sneaker rotation, maybe I will start diving back into my V2s. But like I said, I always want to give you guys an honest review, and I know a lot of people, whether you're new to the channel, if you're first time watching me, it seems like, you know, that my titles are almost clickbaity in a way where it says honest review, and then you come here and you don't get a bad review. You're not going to get a bad review of a sneaker from me 9 times out of 10, because it's my hard-earned money going into these. Like, I got up and went to work all day today. I hit on a raffle, went and picked these up, went and picked up another pair of sneakers that will be in tomorrow's video, but it's like $380 out of my own pocket for 2 pairs of sneakers to put a review up today and a review tomorrow. So it's really hard for me to come on here and bash a sneaker. If I don't like a sneaker, I'm 9 times out of 10 probably just not going to buy it. So with that being said, I'm going to go bang out this on full for you, but in my opinion, this is the best V2 we have seen in a very long time. And I'm even including the semi-frozen yellow restock. They're definitely better than the Statics. They're definitely better than the Sesames. And I don't even know what goes back. Zebra. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't. Like, maybe they're not better than the Zebra. They're not better. But my favorite pair, hands down, is my Bread V2. Them are the semi-frozen yellows. But this is definitely up there. This is the best V2 Adidas and Kanye have hit us with in a while. But that's it, guys. I'm going to go bang out this on foot. I will be back again tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Just like Kanye's career after the crazy tweets, the Yeezy 350 V2 has resurrected. They're not dead anymore. Bricks? No more. You could build a house out of bricks. Or you could build a house out of clay. And Kanye went and did that. Holla.
Richie Rock is